So now, in honor of Dr. Pratt Clark, it is my true pleasure to present the Provost Lecture Series on Women in Leadership Award. This award was established by the Office of the Provost in honor of Dr. Pratt Clark, and it carries a $5,000 prize. It recognizes an undergraduate student for her outstanding academic achievements and contributions to the Stevens community. And the recipient this year is Christina Puntiel. Christina is a junior chemistry major, and I would like to ask her to come to the podium. Christina. So, let me tell you a little bit about Christina. Christina plans to enter the pharmaceutical industry, where she will be able to combine her passion for science and her desire to have an impact on her community and improve the lives of other people. And from what I understand, she's already secured an internship at Bristol-Myers Squibb for this summer. Christina holds leadership positions in several organizations on campus. She's currently the vice president for the American Chemical Society and the West Indian Student Organization. Next academic year, she's going to be the president of the American Chemical Society. She's also part of the Diversity and Inclusion Committee and holds the title of Socioeconomic Status Advocate. She's part of the Gear and Triangle Honor Society and also the Chi Alpha Epsilon National Honor Society. Christina is also a proud member of the Stevens Technical Enrichment Program that we know as STEP. So congratulations, Christina. And I'm very pleased to present you with this award. I think we check. Very good. Oh, my pleasure. Would you like to make a few remarks? Okay.
Hello, I'm Christina Puntiel. I am so honored to receive this award, and I just want to say thank you so much to all those that support me and push me to be my best. And thank you so much to Dr. Pratt Clark for coming today and giving such an amazing, beautiful, powerful lecture. Thank you so much.